Overview of trading Doge USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry point, 0.15379 to 0.16343. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.19328. Target 2, 0.22141. Target 3, 0.25682. Target 4, 0.29553. Target 5, 0.33607. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.10184. Important note, remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit level after reaching any take profit. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market turns against you. Entry strategy. Enter after a pullback. Risk management. Prudent decision-making and risk management are key to successful trades. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks.